Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to download Node.js in your PC. So guys, now let's begin. First of all guys, here we have to search nodejs.org. Now guys, here you can see download for Windows. So guys, now after this you have to click on this first link. Now guys, after some time this will going to install. Now guys, now click on this. Now guys, you can see welcome to Node.js. Now guys, now click on next, and now click on this, and now click on next again, and next, then you have to click on install, then click on yes. Now guys, this is installing. Now guys, you have to click on finish. So guys, now Node.js is successfully installed. Now guys, now you have to click on that button on this start icon, and guys, now click on Windows PowerShell. Now guys, now here we have to type node version, and guys, now here you can see 16.2, say 16.14.2. This is the version of this Node.js. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer and programming related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon. And guys, if you want to learn Python, then guys please make sure to access our Python playlist. So guys, now that's it for now. See you next time. Bye bye.